In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Flex Budgeting in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Flex Budgeting simplifies your budget by grouping expenses into 3 buckets: fixed, flexible, and non-monthly. Instead of tracking dozens of categories, you mainly focus on one flexible spending number. To switch to this mode, go to the Budget tab, then click the Settings gear in the top right. From the Budgeting Type dropdown, select Flex Budget, Confirm, and click Save. Monarch will automatically sort your categories based on your past activity. Next, review your buckets. Fixed includes things like bills and subscriptions. Flexible covers everyday spending, and non-monthly is for irregular expenses. You can drag and drop categories to adjust them if needed. This setup makes it easier to track your spending, and you can also enable rollovers for your flexible budget to carry over unused amounts. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.